Thank you to the people over at Active for this product sample of this coffee cleaner. This is something that I don't know about you, but I like to clean my Keurig a lot more than I end up actually cleaning it, and this product really has helped me to do that efficiently. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. There we go. So inside you have little K-cups like you would use for your coffee in the morning. And then it has the directions on the box, but what I really like it has the directions right there on top of the Keurig cup. So what you do is you put this Keurig cup in, then you're going to close it, and then you're going to put it on the largest cup setting. I'll do a demonstration at the end of the video so you can come back and take a look at that. So you brew the largest cup size, let it brew. Then once it's done, you take the cup, obviously discard of it. And then after that, to kind of just clean it out a little bit more and just kind of rinse it out, you would brew it empty the second time through. So you just close the lid, brew it empty in that largest size once again, just to kind of rinse everything out before you use it. And then once you are done with that, on the bottom it'll say after that, then you can wipe any residue that is left on the coffee maker. So then I would take a paper towel, or you can use whatever towel that you would use to clean, just to kind of wipe up any spots that are left over, so you can make sure that you are not ingesting any of the chemicals that are in here, obviously. It does come with any warnings and stuff on there of who to contact and what. Obviously don't have it be swallowed, not in your eyes, anything like that. But what I did is I actually rinsed it twice. So I closed my lid with it empty, rinsed it out, and then I did it a second time just to be safe. And then I ended up cleaning it out twice after with a paper towel, and just kind of clean it out and get any residue off there. But you'll see in just a moment the demonstration that I did for you, so you can see actually how this product works. Thanks. So you can see it has the directions right on the pod, which is awesome. Insert cleaner pod. Then you were going to brew the largest cup size. After that, discard cleaner pod. Brew again with no pods to just kind of rinse out anything that was left in. And then finally wipe remaining residue that is left on it. So let's insert the cleaning pod, close it, and then I'm going to go to the largest size. So I'm going to choose this one here, and it's going to brew. Now that it is done with its cycle, on the directions again it says to brew the largest cup size and then discard the cleaning pod. So I'm going to take this out, just set it off to the side for now. On there it says to brew again with no pod, just to kind of rinse out. So what I'm going to do, take this glass out of the way right now, put this glass in, have it go down, and then I'm going to brew the same size, so this large size once again. Now that it has finished its last cycle, what I'm then going to do is just take paper towel or any rag that you have and just kind of wipe off any residue that is inside or on the outside of it. I do need to clean this many more times myself just to get all of the ground coffee off of it, but this is definitely a product that is going to help to kind of clean the inside, just to prevent any mold or anything that is on the inside. But definitely a product I would look into if you are looking for something that can easily clean your Keurig. Thanks.